So I know this horse has been rinsed before, but not a lot. We're going to work him to it a little bit. I just got finished working him in the covered pen. I'm gonna let it run for just a minute. First off, because it's cold, I'd like to let it get a little warm, a little warmer anyways, and give him a chance to just kind of see it and settle to it. That's Bubba there watching. This is Saber. He was just gelded on Friday. He's, I believe, 7 or 8 years old. So he has had enough time as a stud to learn how to act like a stud. But he's very well behaved. He has a new owner. The previous owner seemed to have done a pretty decent job of getting him around the herd, letting him be around the herd. Now I'm just going to hold it on. Let him stand there and do that. When his feet get still, I'll take it away. Oop. Not gonna stop, even out in the hallway. You're not gonna run away from it. Not gonna run away from it. And stop. There we go. Good boy. That's what it took, another horse for you to stop. All right, let's do it again. He's getting slower. And stop. Good boy. Bubba giving you some confidence? If you're gonna keep moving, I'm gonna start spraying. Good boy. Feel better now? Like a little schoolgirl, he touched you. Start pawing, I'll spray that foot harder. Get still, I'll take it away. Come on in from the other side. It's probably gonna go over to the other side of the wash rack. Good boy. Notice he gets his adrenaline up when I'm spraying, and he gets prancy, moving his feet around. I'm giving him a chance in between to let his adrenaline come back down. Let him settle, let him relax. And then we start over. If I let him keep bringing his adrenaline up every time and keep going up and not giving him a chance to just sit and soak, I'm going to end up making the problem bigger. So by giving him a chance to just kind of chill, see what's going on, I'm bringing his adrenaline back down. I'm not sure horses have actual adrenaline, but that's the idea. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. I'm not petting him in between. I just don't have enough. I'll spray you more. I don't have enough hands, but it doesn't matter at this point. It's the pressure and the release. You're going to paw, I'm going to spray you. It's the pressure and the release that I'm after. The release is the reward. Good boy. I'll do it again. Good boy, that's better. That's better. Step back over the hose. There you go. I like that. I like that. Step back over the hose. Now I'm going to start with the back feet. Let's see what happens there. He held the right one up, left one stayed still, and I stopped it. That wasn't exactly the response that I want, but he wasn't prancing and trying to run over me either. So I'm going to reward something in the right direction. Let's do it again. Don't run over me. Don't run over me. Don't kick at the water. There we go. Not going to reward when he kicks at the water either. That water could just as easily be my hand. I know it's running down his leg. It's tickling. He's got to get used to it. I'm not going to reward kicking at the water. He was just gelded Friday, like I said. Today's Monday. He could stand to be cold hosed a little bit more. There we go. Good boy. He's got a little bit of swelling in that back left fetlock. That needs to be hosed a little more. So he needs to be used to this. And he just kicked at the water. I'm not going to stop. I'm not going to stop. I'm actually spraying the foot that's on the ground. Not going to stop. Not going to stop. Put that foot down. There. So I sprayed the foot that was on the ground. And when he picked that foot up and set the other foot down that he's kicking with, I released the pressure. Sounds a little bit contrary there because it seems like I rewarded the one foot for coming up, but I'm rewarding the kick foot that was kicking for going down. Let's do it again. There. Release the water before he kicked. Basic pressure and release is all this is. Nothing fancy about it, nothing special about it. It's just basic pressure and release. But the key is the release. Not putting too much pressure for too long and starting with a release that I can build off of. Good boy. I'm releasing before he kicks. So let's do the back on the other side. I'm sure that water running down him, he don't care for. I know his previous owner, he has a new owner, his previous owner said that he didn't like the rain. I wasn't sure if they meant he didn't like the sound of the rain or didn't like being out in the rain. I'm gonna wait till they... There we go, good boy. All right, let's do the back from this side. Notice I'm turning the water on and then bringing it to him. I'm not starting the water at him. Let's do it again. Not going to reward if you're kicking. We already started on that other side. I need to bring that along better, so I'm not going to reward. I'm going to make him be a little bit better, a little longer before I reward. I think at this point it's the dripping and the running down him that he don't like. He looked at the other horse. I turned the water on. Don't kick at it. If you put that right foot down a little longer, that's what I was waiting for the reward. Spray your front if you're going to pop. You don't want to come over here next to him. He's going to touch you again and you ain't going to like it. Well, look at him. He ain't doing it. Good boy. All right, so I'm gonna go onto his body. Let's see what happens. Don't know what to expect. Can't imagine that he's never been rinsed before. But I don't really know. We're gonna find out. This is warm water that I'm rinsing him with. It's chilly today, but this is warm water. Should feel good. Same thing, his feet get still, I'll take the water away. A little harder now. Almost there. Oh, don't smash me in the corner. There. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Let's do this side. He's going to touch you again. You paw with that foot, I'm gonna spray it. All you gotta do is get still. Go. Good boy. All right, I think I'll stop there with the water. Put the hose down and get a sweat scraper. Notice I did all that and I did not put him in the cross ties. A couple of reasons. I don't want him attached and feel like he's bound there and taking his retreat away, taking away make him feel like he's stuck in a corner. Didn't want to take that away, didn't get no water there. So I held him, that way I could put a little contact with his face, move him a little bit as I was spraying him. Go. Good boy. So this is Sabre. I'll put a link up here to his other videos. I'll be doing quite a few of them. Until next time, thank you for watching.